my name's Ibrahim from Caligo Estate Agents. Today we're at number 2/65 Crystal Street in Petersham. This property features 4 great sized bedrooms with en-suites and an extra bathroom. Let's go have a look around guys.
This wonderful property can come furnished or unfurnished with great finishing like polished timber floorboards and Caesar stone bench tops. Comes complete with a 700 litre fridge, dishwasher and gas appliances. Each bedroom will comfortably fit a queen or king size bed with walk-in wardrobe and an ensuite. Once again, ample storage, plenty of natural sunlight. Great views from the master bedroom at the top. Ensuite once again in every bedroom.